Listen, how cute are these scarves? I know I picked up that daisy one the other day, but all these varieties they have, one day I'm just going to buy all the colors. So cute. And this little tote bag is just adorable, straight out of Patience. I didn't realize the quality of these tote bags. I just kept passing them by, but I did pick that one up today. And I love that one, but it doesn't go with what I'm trying to do. I might come get that one later. My store had these glass pumpkin jars out already. And don't forget the birthday section, guys. Birthday party. These candles are everything. Like, I don't have little ones, but if you do, you should check these candles out. In the birthday party section, they have a great variety of things, decor. And these, how cute are these little mini stem glasses for wine? They are so adorable. And then they have the 2-pack wine glasses with the actual stem. And I thought I'd try this bathroom cleaner out. And it does have some pods or something, I didn't see that, in it. So it'll make some kind of concoction. And this, I thought it was nice branding. I get sold on the branding, guys. And I just want to try it. If it looks great and it looks like something that's going to work, I'll try it. So we'll see how it works. This was a beautiful branding, and I've seen reviews, but I can't remember what they said about them, so I figured I'd try them. Okay, guys, so really quick, this is what I got today. I picked up the bathroom cleaner. What is this? The starter kit. So I could use this spray bottle, I'm thinking, for other things, because I kept saying I need a spray bottle. So, but I think this comes with something that I'm going to do a mixture with. I'm not sure. I just bought it because I thought it looked like a good buy and nice branding. So I picked up that. And this is like a household shop. I got my dishcloths that I always get. This time I got blue. They didn't have black. I got these multi-purpose cleaning cloths, and they come with 2 in a pack. We're gonna try those. I got this upside down. Can't wait to try that. I saw reviews on it. I can't remember what the reviews were from Jen and Anika. I don't know, but I hope they were good reviews. I can't remember, but I said let me try because I need that for under my eyes. I picked up this cute little tote bag. I've always been eyeing them, and I didn't realize, you know, they were really nice quality, like they're cute tote bags. So I picked up one of those. I have an idea for it, to fill it up for someone's birthday. I got this scrub-free shower cleaner. So we're going to try that. What else did I get? Oh, got some dish soap. And I think that's it. Yep, that is my haul, guys. Now I gotta clean up my car.